Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold in Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. When you log in into your account, you will see this type of real or demo accounts in front of you. So over here, click on the option of trade, then click on the option of Exness terminal. Now, when the Exness terminal opened in front of you, you just have to simply select the XAU USD pair here on the top. If it is not available over here, you can definitely add it by clicking on this plus icon here and searching for XAU USD. You can also mark it as a star in order to basically add it here in your favorites. So when you see the XAU USD over here, in order to buy it, you just have to simply click on the option of buy on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can place your order based on the market order or the pending order. So whichever method you choose, if you have selected the market order, your purchase will be on the market price, which is currently is 4664. But if you select the pending price, you can just simply select your pending price over here like this. Let's say you want to purchase it here when it comes at 4648, and then you can just simply click on the option of confirm buy. So this way your limit order will be placed and you will be able to purchase it very easily. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.